Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have two unboxings, one from Louis Vuitton and one I got from Mercari. So this just came all the way from Japan and we will open her second. So this came in 2 days ago and as you can guess, it is a notebook from Louis Vuitton, but I never mentioned when I decided to buy this, which was just last week, and I thought it would be very matchy to my collection. So I do like to collect really special notebooks. As you can see, I have 3 Murakami and one from the Tender Bliss color. So that pink one is name is Tender Bliss. There you go. Now they just throw one like perfume without the little pouch, which is okay. This one is, oh, one of my favorites. It's Imagination. Put this one aside for now. Maybe get a photo like this. And let's open her up. I think you probably saw a peek in the bottom of what I've got. And this is the Jane notebook from the Denim collection. And I thought it'd be very matchy to my current notebooks. So again, the gold sides and the pages inside are the exact same. Made in Italy. Yeah, I just like collecting these special notebook ones, but I don't write in them. So this is my 5th notebook from LV and the Murakami collection that I want. So let me just put her over there. Okay, now for my second unboxing, all the way from Japan. I ordered this one about 2 weeks ago, so yeah, it took 2 weeks, and I was completely inspired and influenced by Shady Lady 77 on Instagram. I saw her have this bag charm. It's from Takashi Murakami, Kai Kai and Kiki company, so this is not Louis Vuitton, but when you use it as a bag charm, like I saw Shady Lady 77 and she's my friend on Instagram. I'll put her information below. I saw her post this and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So I thought that this would actually be best on my 2 speedy, like, so from Coach, that's called the Loved Denim Rowan bag. That's the large, and that was my ever first LV speedy that I got back in like 2010. So I'm excited that this finally arrived, and yeah, I will swap this bag charm with my bag one day and show you how it looks. So let's open her up. The packaging is so cute too. So the back is kind of like this rubber plastic shiny, and the front has 3 different colors of the sakura or cherry blossom. A purple one that's free flow on the top, and then you have 2 darker pink, the standard Murakami cherry blossom, and then this one large one. So I thought that, let me bring you with me, that if it went on my damier azure speedy, that looks so cute. I might remove my this is super soft by the way, but heart, and just have her like that. Super cute. And when I'm done with these bag charms, I've recently really loved pairing my Rowan like this with the Chanel new Denim collection, beauty collection. And I've had like several compliments on the street and from different services. Then when they saw these strawberries, it's super cute. So anyway, back to this Murakami cherry blossom. I thought that would look so cute. So yeah, guys, this is my recent mini haul. The LVJ notebook in denim and this bag charm. Influence from my friend on Instagram. Go check out her page. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you like these type of content, please remember to subscribe, like the video, and comment below if you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. See you guys next time. Bye guys. Ooh.